Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting in the world of sports nutrition and longevity. A sugar molecule called 6-Sialyllactose, or 6SL for short. Now don't worry, I will break it all down simply. This compound is found naturally in human breast milk, but scientists are now uncovering that it might help with muscle endurance, strength recovery, and even healthy aging. So grab a drink, sit back, and let's explore how this one molecule might just become the next big breakthrough in performance and muscle health. All right. First things first, what exactly is 6-Sialyllactose? The name sounds like a tongue twister, so here's the pronunciation. 6SL is part of a group called human milk oligosaccharides, or HMOs for short. Now here's the cool part. Over 200 HMOs have been identified in breast milk. They don't directly feed the baby, but instead they feed the gut microbiome, those good bacteria that shape health and immunity. And while we usually think of HMOs for infants, research is now showing they benefit adults too, especially when it comes to muscles and the brain. So why all the attention on 6SL specifically? The answer lies in something called sialic acid. This sugar is super important for cell communication, how the cells talk to each other, nerve conduction, which is how signals travel between the brain, nerves, and muscles, neuroprotection, protecting brain and muscle connections. That means that 6SL isn't just a prebiotic for gut health. It could be directly linked to neuromuscular function, inflammation control, and even energy production. Now let's get into the juicy stuff. How does 6SL affect muscle performance? 1. Muscle endurance. In a 2024 study on mice, animals given 6SL ran significantly longer on treadmill tests compared to controls. They also had bigger muscles, especially in the gastrocnemius and soleus muscles, both key for running and jumping. Scientists believe this happens because 6SL boosts energy efficiency and activates a pathway called AMPK, which is basically the body's fuel gauge. 2. The gut-brain muscle axis. Ever heard of the gut-muscle connection? Here's how it works. Gut bacteria eat prebiotics like HMOs and produce short-chain fatty acids. These SCFAs help muscles use energy more efficiently. Some bacteria even turn lactate, the stuff that makes your muscles burn, into propionate, which your muscles can reuse for fuel. In short, feeding your gut the right things can directly improve exercise endurance and even motivation. 3. Muscle strength. In mouse studies, grip strength increased by over 100% with 6SL compared to controls. In human pilot studies, patients with a rare muscle condition called GNE myopathy saw improvements in muscle power when taking 3 to 6 grams of 6SL daily. Higher doses, like 6 grams, even help maintain motor power for almost 2 years. 4. Muscle recovery. After exercise, your muscles experience micro damage and inflammation. 6SL helps by lowering blood lactate levels, the fatigue-causing byproduct, boosting proteins that involve oxidative phosphorylation, basically the pathway that lets slow twitch muscle fibers create energy for endurance. The result? Less muscle fatigue and faster recovery. 5. Sarcopenia. So sarcopenia is the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength. After age 50, we lose about 1 to 2% of muscle mass per year, and strength drops even faster. Studies suggest that 6SL supplementation can prevent muscle atrophy, boost grip strength, and potentially slow the effects of aging. So whether you're an athlete or simply thinking about healthy aging, 6SL could play a big role. Now you're probably wondering, how can you actually take 6SL? Good news, it's already available in supplement form. Here are a few options. 6SL HMO for muscle strength. This contains clinically studied 6SL, which is shown to increase muscle weight and grip strength, especially in those key muscles. Super HMO Prebiotic Mix. This is a blend of 5 HMOs, including both 3SL and 6SL. This supports cognition, gut health, and muscle function. Bonus, it's even available for kids to support brain development and gut balance. Super HMO Symbiotic Capsules. Now this one combines 5 HMOs with 10 probiotic strains. This makes them symbiotic, meaning the probiotics and HMOs work together for maximum gut and muscle benefit. Of course, always check with your healthcare provider before starting new supplements, especially if you have medical conditions or take medication. So let's wrap this up. Here are the key takeaways about 6SL. 1, it improves muscle endurance by boosting energy use and lowering fatigue. 2, it supports the gut-brain-muscle axis, helping both mind and body perform. 3, it increases muscle strength in both animal and some human studies. 4, it speeds up recovery by reducing lactate and promoting energy efficiency. And 5, it may help prevent age-related sarcopenia, keeping you stronger as you age. From infant nutrition to muscle performance and healthy aging, who would have thought a sugar molecule like 6SL could do so much? If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone interested in fitness, recovery, or longevity. And if you want to try supplements with 6SL, check out the Pure HMO range I mentioned earlier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.